den. Yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning out the floor. I'm feeling a bit down today, a bit stressed out. We've got a month until we're open for bookings, and I can just see so much that we need to do. There's loads of stuff. Get stressed about the fact that we're running out of money, and it's pretty hard work. I'm knackered, and everything is taking a lot longer than I want it to. We've not really finished any jobs. We've got very close to finishing jobs, but yeah, still see loads and loads of stuff that needs to be done. Got to move that light, plasterboard the wall, clean the floors, lime wash the walls. Hopefully at least some of that will be done today. And the boys have been moving all the cardboard in here to make hideouts, which is a little bit annoying. It means I've got to move everything out, and then I can get started. So I'll just get on with it, I suppose. Needless to say, we didn't get everything we wanted to do done today. However, you know, tomorrow's another day. Get some sleep tonight, and we're gonna go pick up some bits tomorrow and see where we are. We figured we can't whitewash the walls until we've jet washed the floor and done the ceiling, so gonna jet wash the floor, take the light down, do the ceiling, whitewash the walls. Makes sense? Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Right, I'm just gonna drive to my friend's size to pick up a jet wash, so we can clean the floors out in the den. Also, he's got a present for us, so let me get on with it, and I will update you when we get back. Bye. So we've got a football table, Si and Karen gave us a football table for the den. So that's something to look forward to.